Medyo simple lang naman yung lecture and hindi naman siya, straightforward lang naman siya. Okay, so I'll just wait for up to 5 minutes if you have any questions. Baka may hahabol pa din. Okay, so we have a very interesting question. Is there a resource to check ongoing epidemiological data? So as far as I know, since yung public health departments natin yung nagko-collect, sila yung in charge of collecting epidemiologic data. So sa DOH may mga surveillance departments that is per region, per province, and then syempre sa national level din. And then they collate all of that. Pero as far as I know, hindi siya published, but maybe you can request it sa kanila. So parang yung mga notifiable diseases natin like dengue, yung mga infectious diseases, HIV. Occasionally there are published articles from DOH, kung ano na yung mga statistics natin about those notifiable diseases. And even non-infectious diseases meron din, pero hindi siya yung parang raw data na shared to everyone. So for that raw data, baka kailangan niyo talaga mag-request from DOH. Okay, does that answer your question? So parang for the available articles, ano lang, baka Google search lang sa mga DOH website, WHO website, etc. Okay. Thank you for your question. Are there any other questions? So there is a clarification. Are STDs solely classified under direct transmission? Yes, as far as my understanding, direct transmission siya kasi direct siya from person to person. So wala siyang intermediary like another animal, walang vector, walang non-living thing like air or a solid object. Talagang ano siya, person to person. So direct transmission siya. Yung example kasi natin ng indirect transmission are vector-borne, vehicle-borne, those that are transmitted through air, water, food, oral fecal contact. So yung in oral intake of fecal matter, unfortunately. So indirect transmission pa rin yun. But STDs are direct transmission. Okay. So follow-up question niya, what of the cases, Doc, of HIV from infected needles? Pwede din naman, yes. Oo. Okay, so meron nga pala siyang intermediary. So, yes, kapag infected needles, I would consider that as an exception sa magiging indirect transmission siya. Okay, that's a very good example. Thank you. Follow-up question. Doc, what's the best way to differentiate fomite and vehicle? I know it's really confusing. So, I think all fomites would be considered as vehicles, but not not all vehicles are considered as fomites. Kasi a fomite is more of an object na napapatungan siya ng infectious agent like the desk, the cloths, what you're wearing, the bed sheets, the door handles, the spoon and fork, ganon. Pero yung vehicle also includes like yung air, water, food, which we do not usually call them as fomites. Pero again, very related naman sila. So I will not ask a confusing question naman about that. Okay, so okay lang yun, may overlap talaga sila. Okay, are there any more questions? Okay, so I do appreciate your questions. At least I know that you really listened or at least read the lecture, and it shows your desire to learn. So thank you for your questions. Mukhang wala na, okay? So I will dismiss you, but if you have any pahabol questions, you can still message me on Canvas. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, Doc.
Doc.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you po.